Welcome back to the Practical Camper. It's a little noisy because on this episode we bought a bus. This bus is from some Mennonites in Hutchinson, Kansas. We bought it from a church and bought it at an auction. We're gonna see if we can drive it back to Texas and fix this thing up to be the next Practical Camper motorhome. We'll show you the inside here. This is our bus. I've got a little antenna rigged up to talk to my chase vehicle. AC is not super cold. We can stop, pull, and request to stop here. Anyway, I don't know what we're doing, but we bought a bus at an auction. Should be super fun. We're gonna fix it up, take it camping a couple times, see what we can do. Maybe like move some stuff with our wheelchair ramp. Super excited about that. Anyway, who knows what's gonna happen. Hopefully we make it back to Texas in one piece, and we'll see. All aboard the adventure bus. Next stop, Texas. Driven this thing about 120 miles or so. We stopped for coffee. It's a big truck to drive. Not too bad, but it's probably I don't know if it's the biggest single vehicle I've ever driven. You know, but it's been pretty fun so far. It's noisy, so we're gonna put the earbuds in and listen to some music. We went from Hutchinson, Kansas, which is north of Wichita, and now we are down by Oklahoma City. And if you're passing through Oklahoma City, you have to stop at Pops, which we'll get it in view here. You have to stop at Pops, which is on Route 66, and it's an iconic gas station. It's very modern, but it's a really neat place. And so while we're in the area, we figured we can go ahead and stop and have dinner here and continue on our journey afterwards. But the bus is driving real well. It's like 10 p.m. We're in Ardmore, Oklahoma, and we noticed that we had a headlight out, this little guy here, at the last rest stop we were at. So we drove about 30 miles south to get us a new headlight at Walmart, because that's a sure way that the highway patrol will pull you over. And we're really not too sure about our tags and what's legal and what's not legal, so we're gonna play it safe and go on into the Walmart here and go buy us a new headlight and put it in the parking lot, just to be safe. Really? Is this the automotive lighting here? Welcome.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Seal beams.
None of those, right?
Well, this is with halogen. There's more. So there's the back with halogen. What's the ULE?
For the YouTube. Got our headlights, so now we can be semi-legal, more legal than we were per se. This is one of the good old-fashioned Walmarts. It still sells guns, popcorn, and headlights at 10 p.m. on a Thursday. You can never have too many guns, and the manager has the keys. Walmart literally has oodles of guns here in Oklahoma.
Okay. good. This is
That's
trash.
the bad bulb. Yeah.
You got the good.
Yep, I got it on the dash.
We have no more tools. Do you have your phone?
I have my
mine.
phone. Yep. I think it was a really smart idea to stop it last night. It's been a nice, easy drive in this morning. We're basically home. We stopped at another iconic gas station in America, gas station lore, and it's pretty neat to see. Over there, there's like a government van with some suspicious fellas. Look like roofers, but have like 10 antennas on top of their car. So if you ever see that thing sitting outside your house, that's not good. Maybe it's your neighbors that are the issue, so no big deal. Anyway, we're gonna head on home, and Meredith is almost home, and she hasn't seen the bus yet. We've got it parked out front here next to the best camping vehicle ever made, the F-150. Here she is. We'll film her reaction to the new bus. You could title this as a YouTube video, Angry Wife Reacts to Husband Purchasing Mennonite Church Bus. So we'll see how it goes. Can you give a thumbs up? Now we're gonna film dogs react to their owner purchasing a giant Mennonite church bus. Here we go. He took right to it.
Maddie, you think you can camp in this?
Hey Maddie, speak.